Visual Components improved the way that we deal with the customers a lot. We want to position ourselves as a solution provider. This means that we actually provide something more that is just a product. We concentrate much more what is outside of Agilon. For example, the in-feeds and out-feeds of the system, and then some set making on the process. Of course, we simulate what happens inside of the automated warehouse, but the main thing is to explain how our solution works. Previously, we used quite a lot of static images, tables, leaflets to explain the product. We needed something that is visually appearing for the customer, something that gives a clear understanding what we actually have.
Visual Components, per the name, is more visual and appealing to the customer and to the user as well. From the top down, from executives to factory workers, when you present them to whoever, they're able to see the differences, see the models, see the process, different heights, different sizes, how many units do we put together. This is how wide the aisle should be. This is how high the shelf should be. This is how many products go into each different part. You have many different detailed models of different machines, different conveyors in different environments, and you can easily drag and drop, fix them together and make them work together. Before we even actually manufacture a single product, we're able to simulate and see just how complex that process should be and discover any bottlenecks or potential threats. And you plan ahead as much as you can, and then you take as little time as possible to build it actually, because you already know what you're doing. I don't think any other software is able to do that, at least in my experience.
We see Visual Components as an important tool in communicating in a clear way. We can discuss together with the customer from the correct perspective about the product and the processes and the solution. And I think this is for any system integrator or any solution provider a key element of a tool to have. Also, our customers are expecting that they will see clear visualizations. They are expecting animations. They are also expecting simulations as part of the process. When customers understand and see what we offer, they are more likely to make that purchasing decision.